The next tool that Prezi has is the Prezi Design section. And this is where you can create a graphic to go along in your Prezi video or present, or if you're just looking for a few images to use within a video, you can build them from this section. So as you can see on top, they give you several different icons to get started. Any of your designs that you've created will exist down here along with your tutorial videos below. So if I select the Start From template, a new tab will open, and as you can see, Prezi has multiple categories. So if you know you're going to be using something for a video, you may want to go into the designs for videos. These are going to give you your best templates to work seamlessly into your video, but all graphics do work well. So you can go from design for video. If you're doing more of a PowerPoint feel, you can select from slides. So this is where the whole screen will be utilized. Reports, you can even search from dashboards, posters. You can think about social media posts, email headers. I mean, they have a lot of different categories. So if I wanted to incorporate a report within my video, I can select from a template, and I'm just going to pick a random one. And once you select on a template, you'll be prompted if you want to. You can scan. Some graphics will have multiple slides. You don't have to use all of them, so you can always go in and remove or duplicate. And I'm going to say use this template. You're going to give your graphic a name. And again, unless you have a paid version, select for that anyone on the web. And then press continue. A new tab will open where you can go in and actually edit that graphic. So Prezi is nice because you can edit pretty much anything on their template just by selecting it, and options for that item will appear on the right or left. You can bring in things like more text boxes, you can add a chart, you can add maps and graphics, you can add a video, lots of different elements that can be incorporated within this, and then as well as changing font color, size, all of those aspects where you want the text to be aligned. So if I scroll, I'll see all of my slides, and again, as you select, you'll see that the options change on the side. Now when you're doing a Prezi design, you can create a video. So like in my other video where I showed how to use that, you can add presenter notes for yourself, show conversations. You can download this image. You can present in a whole screen. So as you're working, if you want to see what it looks like in a whole screen, you can, and then press escape. You can just share your graphic. As always, you can unlock features, and then you can download as a PDF, and you can upload that into Blackboard or send it an email for whatever purpose you need it. So let's say I'm done editing my timeline report and I want to create a video. I'd press create video, and it will just kind of do this pop-up message. They'll just say record a video presentation and that your image appears alongside of you, and you can watch the little video and then press continue. And that Prezi video image will appear like you've seen in the other one. And this is where you get to decide some choices before the video starts. You can click on the camera to choose your camera settings. If you don't want the content up, you can decide if you want it to float or to take up the entire screen. This is how the slides will move. And then you can do a transparent where just the images are showing and there is no background, just the simple graphics. Or if you do want that background, you can add it in. Then you can decide, is this going to be presented in a video call, so in Teams? Again, making sure that that request access has been granted by IT prior to your call. Or if you want to record the video. I'm not going to choose these items just because I already have a recording program running. But after you're done recording or presenting, you can always share out the recording, upload it onto Blackboard, or send it an email again. So just another great way that Prezi can kind of elevate your needs, regardless if you're doing a conferencing device or recording this video for uses. Again, a great tool that you can also send out to your students so that they can access these different types of recording tools for their own purposes and presentations.